This is an urgent alert. Please stand by. The following tones will activate the emergency alert system.
A civil authority has issued child abduction emergency for the following counties or areas. Texas, at 11:02 p.m. on September 30th, 2025, effective until 11:02 p.m. October 1st, 2025. Amber Alert. Child abduction from Grapevine, Texas. Suspect vehicle is white Ford F-150 pickup. Missing child. Kaylin Rickards, 13-year-old black female, last seen wearing a black hoodie with a black tank top underneath, black sweatpants, and pink Crocs. If seen, call 911.